and welcome to the Netty channel. I'm Netty and on this one today I'm doing a Meowth kit. A 1, 2, 3 Transformers. Now if this kind of stuff is your thing, I'll pop a link in the description below. Oh my goodness, right. Anyway, we'll start with these. Yeah, so these are on Whatnot. And they are Transformers. Now, I think I've got an inkling who they all are, because they've been opened up already for me. And I'll show you who they are. So this first one I'm going to do is Ultra Magnus. How good is that? We'll do him first. Oops, grab hold of it. Oh, good. Oh yeah. Starting off strong there with Ultra Magnus. Who have we got next? Do I have another one here? Bumblebee. Ultra Magnus. Who have we got? Da, 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 da. Ooh, hello. We've got Ironhide. How good is that? Let's have your Ironhide. Right. Yep, we've got Ironhide. Very cool. There's 3 Autobots there. What's going on? Could this be a I already know who it is. Could this be a Decepticon? Who knows? Oh no, it's not. It's another one. It's Inferno. Very cool. There you go, son. Inferno. The fire engine. British ones have Dennis on the front. So, Le Denis, le French fire engine. Le Denis, Ooby-Doo, I'm in love with you. Right, silly. Let's do this Meowth then. Do some Pokémon. Yeah. Cutest in my humble member of Team Rocket. Oh, look, it's all in different bits. I love it. I get two goodies. I get goodies in it as well. What have we got? We've got a Meowth card. Meowth. That's right. Let's not guess. Let's do it properly. Aww. For the sake of saying I like the cat on this packaging. So got Bumblebee, Ultra Magnus, got Inferno, it looks like he's farting, and Ironhide. So I've got all Autobots. Of course they're standing by. Autobots repair, Autobots.